Gay, spēle sākās.
You know, you lose a player like Joe Johnson, and you figure that your offense is going to suffer a bit. But the Hawks made some nice adjustments by becoming more of a ball movement and spacing team than an isolation team.
Thomas kicks to Cousins.
Horfords ielaids.
And Clark, you mentioned the passing from the Hawks. Last season, second in the NBA in percentage of their possessions. With an assist, Steve, not bad.
Labi, dosim saspils vadītāji, nezinu pēc visu laiku. Bomba pat aizstotīgi dod nepareizi. Es zinu, vienkārši man izskapēc viņam dod dumbu par taisno. Viņš var spēlēt kā saspils vadītājs, bet nu... Nedaudz jāpaspēlē uz saspils vadītāju. Pareizi dot garajiem. Aizgauči, ka arī izmetieni arī.
You know, he'll make you scratch your head and throw your hands up as a defender. You just don't know how to play.
Hawks have gone 4 or 5 from the field so far. And Millsap not quite 6'8", but he's got everything else.
Garais, kurš jau mēs trīnīt.
That's his first foul.
I like the call. I thought the defense was moving there. Yeah, I think he slid underneath. Good blocking call that trick.
Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. The kick out to Williams. Out of bounds, Sacramento takes possession. That could be with the Spurs for 19 years. The Spurs, the winningest team in pro sports in the last 15 years.
Budenholzer has finally gotten his chance. I played for him for 4 seasons.
Oh,
He's a guy who loves
Williams.
very dedicated, hard-working, and has learned from
Uh-oh.
the best coach in the world.
Trīnīšu speciālists no beņķa.
Teague against Thomas. Teague, the basketball, uses both hands.
O, Millsaps nomainīts. Horford arī varēja nomainīt.
Phenomenal aerial assault there, fellas.
Thomas goes in. Thompson. That's in there.
Nu, tā nebija iesaistīt tādu.
Thomas got the assist tonight.
Guys, that's it. You went for the fancy finish for us there, man. That was sweet.
Nu.
The big news for the Sacramento Kings is their steal of the Sacramento Kings.
Tu zini, ka tas neliekos mierā viņiem.
Years they saw the team moving to Virginia, Anaheim, Las Vegas, Seattle. Finally, a new ownership committed to keeping the team in sack.
Ai, ja es tur būtu spēlējis, varētu nozagt.
Nē, man gejs vairāk nav. Nē, man īpaši būtu spēks.
Es mēģināju atcelt. Es negribēju paņemt to bumbu, jo tad tas bija es mēģināju zakt, bet tur jau nebija piespēle. Sanāca, ka vienkārši izsir no rokām.
Jā, es nevarēju
Tev nav?
Nav tāda. Man bija pagājušajā
Jep. Aha.
Šajā spēlē.
Jā, varētu būt. Jep. 2 no 3 ir tikai. Krīlīši.
We've got a 9-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Schroeder passes to Cunningham. Here's Schroeder. Dishes to Cunningham. He passes it to Brown. Brown Thompson. Williams comes for the double team. We're in the corner.
Tas ne, viņam vispār tur nebija strīpiņi. No tādas distances.
Nice inside looks they've got in the first half. I think they should really continue to work it down low. Free up the rest of their offense.
Es pa 0,6 sekundēm vai 0,3 nemaz netērēju laiku. Jo nevar jau kas.
In a moment here to take a look at the scoring breakdown for the Hawks.
Tu apmierini tas, kas ir tev uz laukuma, man nē.
Man arī.
Protams, nav neviens noguris. Visi. Es gan atceros tavējo.
Tev spēlēs ar Kingiem. Es pagājušo pirmo reizi. Nu, ja es tev tur jāpaliec uz strīnīt līnijas, tad obligāti ir jāstāv. Jāvāk te. Šādi neiespēja nosakāt, lai kāds šādi spēlē nebūtu līnijas.
Arī.
Bet tādā, kas līdz izsanā kopā mierīgi var izveidot uz kādu lietu. Tā kā laisī vēl lacītas stāvšu. Kurš palēmies, ka viņš ātri būtu palaid vaļā nevis.
Nevis kā pulciņi vai brīvā laika nodarbi, bet patiešām valsts apmaksāt programmu vai
Es jau biju gatavs mest.
Es tā jūtu.
Mēs iegādājam arī iezīmēt, ka 2018. gads, kad latviešu valodā notiek izslāpības, arī vidu ietvaros
Cik tev var rekrist?
Tiešām.
Visi? Te jau
Tā jau atzīme. Uj! Divnieks. Man nav ko mainīt.
Pateikt, Irvina nebūšana lieta, jā? Redzi, tā kā šitā, kas nav viss, jā?
Tā bija man vaina. Kaut gan tā bija drīzāk datora vaina, ka viņš bija iestrēdis animācijā.
Varbūt uz 18 gadu jau paredzēts ir nelietot krievalodu. Tā, nu vēl tā nevar. Pēc krievalodu nelietot, bet latgaļu rakstību apgūt. Tā jau latgaļu...
Nu, kur tā neizvar vinnēt pret garā?
Krievalodu latgaļu rakstību apgūt.
Tāda visas skolas, tā notiek tikai latvišu.
Jā.
Un nevis kaut kāds latgaļu tur.
Jā.
Pa brīvu.
Tur jau principā ir bišķi cita lieta, jā?
Nē, es
Tas sistēma ne par to latviešu valodas mācīšanu, bet par to, ka tiek mācīts latviešu valoda. Gan krievu valoda, latviešu valoda, gan angļu valoda, latviešu valoda, gan matematika latviešu valoda. Ar to viņam tas problēma, jā? Bet ja šeit būtu vienkārši viens priekšmats latgaļu rakstību,
Ienīcīja beigās tomēr.
tā mācību priekšmats.
Kicks to Cousins. Back to Thornton. And that's out of bounds. Sacramento will retain possession. Check out the story on Rudy Gay. Season for him last year, 16th in scoring. He was also among the league leaders in steals, finishing in the top 20 in that
Vot, šitas man būs pielaidis to.
Es to vispār to visu tā pieeju. Pagaid, es jau zinu tikai pieeju taisīt.
Nu jā, bet ne jau lietas roku priekšā. Natīs tas neskaitās, tas neredzēt. Joks. Man vecumā viņa baudīja, kāda mana piera ir. Kur milsaps ir? Un viņa pieliek roku priekšā, un es neredzu, kas tur notiek. Jā, nebija it nemaz uz acīm.
outside mark. Passes it to Brink. 6 to shoot.
No.
And stolen by Gay.
Tas ir prieks, kā viņam būs labi pieeja.
And there's a whistle. That goes on Cartier Martin.
Lai jau viņi paspēlē,
It's been 6 consecutive seasons with
Jā, tur jau vajag tikai divas pogas.
as a free agent to Brooklyn. But Steve, they had yet to get past the second
Beidzot dabūju.
run.
Tas bija es, kas tam nofēlēja šitā.
ko es dabūju.
Tu beidzot atlikušo bumbu uzbrukumā dabūju. Jo es tikai dabūju. Jau kādu laiciņu.
Es jūtu, ka man galīgi neiet, bet kaut kā punktos jau tik trapņāk.
Nobody questions this guy's talent. He has tremendous skill.
Ko tu dari, vecī? Tas vienkārši kustos ar tevi.
Williams passes to Ontic. And it comes off an assist from Williams.
Nu, pasēd.
Pasēd, tieši.
Now in this one. Let's go now to the sideline and
Nē.
catch up with Doris Burke. Hey, Doris.
Kā tad tāds ir nejūtris, ja tev tāds ir kā pēdējais?
Rebounded despite the turnover in coaches and players. Al Horford said it came together quickly because of the GM saying, quote, we understood we were trying to do things in a different way. Sounds like they have a good understanding of what they are trying to accomplish here, guys.
Nē.
A lot of talent, Doris. They're keeping
Right.
them all working together.
Time out.
Gets inside, has a kind of an uncanny way of shielding himself from contact and finding a way to finish at the rim. And he's also a guy, Steve, whose confidence is not very easily shaken. That's an important quality to have. He'll miss a few shots in a row, but they're not going to cause him to doubt himself. Not in the least.
And now the first timeout called here for the Hawks. And Clark, you mentioned the size for Cousins. Physically,
Man,
he can
God, yeah,
overpower Steve
man.
a lot of players.
Yeah, tremendous rebounder, and he can get to the foul line offensively. You know, he's got the ability to step out on the floor and make shots. I mean, he's really got the total package. The question is, can he just improve his overall game? Can he continue to mature and become the dominant player that he's capable of?
It would be interesting to see
Okay.
a good team. There's some real nice role models on that team. People rave about his skill set. Here's Korver for three.
Gana brīvs.
Korver's got 8 points here in this quarter.
Slightly late. Kaut kas.
Off a loss for the Los Angeles Lakers. Short, defended by Korver. Here's the three. Rebound Atlanta. Their biggest lead of the game was 9.
Poor shooting from him this quarter. His shooting percentage nowhere near.
Karais jau nāk par visu. Tagad Gejs.
3 dishes at the Millsap. Elbow shot.
What the?
By Landry.
Dievs. Nē.
By Gay.
Nu, jā.
Layup is good. Gay's got 6 points.
He's so good at recognizing
Es nezinu, ka vispār tik maz laiks ir.
getting the ball to the rim.
An attacking area end the first half. It's
No, ko tu ņirc?
Viņš izmest tik, cik tā kā viņš būtu, tagad izmet viņš būtu nokrits vienkārši uz sejas un uz sejas.
Thank you for tuning in to the NBA on 2K Sports.
Ow.
As we get set to get going once again. Hey, during the break, players getting a chance to refuel and hydrate. Some Gatorade. As there is more basketball in store.
Tev atdot?
You have to like what we're seeing so far from Korver.
Yeah, he played a
Yeah.
very mature first half offensively, just finding gaps and making
Bet,
good decisions, getting into the
Okay,
defense,
tā, kur man ir?
knocking down shots.
Kur man ir saspēles vadītājs?
That's exactly
Nē,
what
man...
we're talking about when we're
Ok, redz, kur ir saspēles vadītājs. Ok, tā, mainamies, ok.
Right now brought to you by Gatorade, all fueled up and ready to go. Here's who's on the floor. On the court for Atlanta.
Tas speed bursts. Bet nebija gan tomēr.
Forward with Horford at center. And Sutton in at the three.
Bet piespēle jau bija vispār kaut kur pakaļā.
The Kings trail by 3.
Well, the business of the NBA in pretty good stead. The Kings sold back in May for a record price of $525 million, and the Seattle group had offered even more. Team value is certainly on the rise around the league. Better arenas, more TV contract. Part of the reason that's the case.
Here's Gay with the lead pass. And the shot is good. Landry's got the first
Kas
point
ir?
of the second half up on the board for the Kings. Williams against Horton. And Williams, here we go. T. From outside, off
Kas ir? Es neiemetu, dabūju atlēkušo.
to the inside.
Tik daudz galvas!
Here's Thomas.
Nē,
Offensive
nav
rebound.
lemts.
Here's Cousins.
Nē. Kā?
Landrijs nav
Landry's got
iekārs.
4
Viņš
points in the
izslēg
quarter.
man brīvs, grūz apakš visu. Viņš vienkārši pienāk.
To clog those lanes in the middle.
Landrijs mēs atstāsim.
Yeah, and until they do, the problems inside are only going to get worse.
Time call here. The Hawks decide to talk it
No,
over. And back to the bidding war for the Kings.
Un atkal man tur...
O, man ir
Group.
patīk.
Steve, you think there's a chance the league could expand to Seattle?
I think so, especially with that tremendous offer that the Seattle group put forward. And now the new CBA, it's made it much more favorable for the owners. I think
Ui, tu nav vispār...
we will see at least one expansion team, maybe two. That's the kind of aggressive and assertive
Nu, bez
play they
nirgi,
do
nu.
as we get closer and closer to
Neapčurājies.
touchdown. No question. Pound it into the painted area and continue to put pressure on that defense.
Nu!
But he gets it back.
Tu kā, ka man gribēja izgrūst ārā. Es redzēju.
He's got 10 points in the game.
Ak, Dievs.
One to go now after missing their first.
Es beigām mūziku šo turinājusi, ka pēc es sekos. Ui, es aizmirsu.
Guys, maybe this will kick them into gear. Well, Kevin, we got to
Kaka.
move back to last year's Atlanta Hawks. Second in the
Kaut gan neko
sixth,
neizmanīju.
seventh in field goal percentage. And they were top 10 in
Kāpēc? Es
three-point
izmainīju
shooting.
visiem uz...
That's a huge part of their
Es
offensive
nodomāju
attack.
iespēju.
And the key really to that club, in my mind, was the offensive
Come
unselfishness. This was a team, as you mentioned, Mark, that finished in the top 5 in assists per game.
Okay.
So it was the fact that they really shared the ball, they had good ball movement, and a good plan of attack all season long.
Atbild pret atbildes.
Down quickly at both ends.
Yeah, it took them no time to answer back on that possession.
Big step
Oh,
forward
my.
once again for Jeff Teague last season. He continued to up his scoring and assist totals. He had one of his best years in the free throw
Ak,
line.
Dievs, kas tas
Kāds lidotājs viņš ir reitu nost? Es vienkārši pupēju.
Be seeing which team is ready to take control of this game.
Yeah, that's a dunk that could absolutely get them going. I agree, Clark.
And Steve back to Teague. He's working on that outside shooting, but as a point guard, Clark is
Zināju.
in between shots you like so much.
Kevin, I love the arsenal he has, and every point guard needs to have those runners, floaters, flippers, I call them. You got to have that. You're not always going to be able
Yeah.
to get to the rim against such,
pameta nedaudz tā savu.
against bigger guys. And Steve also mentioned his good free throw percentage, so the more he can get
Come
him,
on.
him and his team.
Kāpēc tur bija īstais vispār?
Bounds, Atlanta takes possession.
Tas coach.
Precīzi.
Atlanta's on 1 of 4 and 3-point shots here in the third. And Williams, here we go. Just under 3.5 minutes play here in the third quarter.
Nočakarēja. Bišklī nočakarēja izvadienu.
Wayward and
Ui, tīks, augsts.
everything he's put up in this period.
Millsap dishes to Williams. Kicks the tee.
Davai augstais tīga.
Atlanta gets it back. Millsap passes to Williams. Outside tee.
Nu, come on. Excellence. Tagad bija.
He hasn't been able to make any
Tas ir gei.
Šoreiz datos tev iztraucēja.
Seem to be pretty good at home. 125 or 41.
Nu, redzēs, Dievs, es varēju, ja būtu izpējas, domāju, nebūs nemaz, bet metīšu arī.
Kā tev paveicās, ka viņš negāja ārpus laukuma tur?
high energy level, guys. And all the steals we've seen, really a result of that aggressiveness.
They haven't wasted time getting the ball up the court tonight either. It's resulted in a
Wow,
lot of
that
fast break
was...
points.
Sacramento hitting their third and fourth free throw shots of the night.
Kaka.
Shot 77% as a team last year. Good, not
Ai,
spectacular,
Dievs.
but solid.
Sacramento making a switch here.
Nu, paldies! Tam džekiņa,
Ja tu met tikai 3.
tam džekiņam vispār nav strīpiņas.
And it's Jimmer Fredette in for Isaiah Thomas. Carl Landry's checked in for DeMarcus Cousins.
Beisīs.
Time call here. The Hawks
Viņš grib
decide to
spēlēt.
take it over. Nobody really seems to talk about it, Clark, but the Hawks have been absolutely dynamite here at home over the last half-decade. Steve, as a visitor, you know this. Very tough to get wins here.
That's why they call it the highlight factory, Kevin. I mean, this place can get rocking, and you think about some of the talent they've had in the last few years with Josh Smith, who's now in Detroit, but Al Horford, Jeff Teague, a lot of exciting players.
Ka daudz sāc.
Ā, Dievs.
And here we go. McLemore.
Nu, to nevar nočakarēt.
An important part of every
Nevar,
team's
tas
game.
bija pārāk ātrais.
Their high
Garais.
defensive effort has paid off for them, guys, with
Bo. Mierīgi, mierīgi.
And they're also really getting out in transition and scoring some hoops in the fast break.
Kas pa pilnā? Aizsardzības un pakaļs. Otrs puses šodien, kas...
Nu, ja. Tas taču Horfords, ne?
Tu gribi redzēt, Geju?
Moving the ball around.
Kāpēc?
It's Gay with the drive. To this to AC. Shot is off. Good work defensively by Horford.
you know, not only is the game,
Inza, kam Vils tur varētu?
but the rebound on that is too.
Ok, mieru. Jā, nāc man virsū, atstāja viņus trīnīšu līnijas brīvu.
Martin's got his second assist of the night. The Kings have gone a solid 6 of 11
Kā tu
when
met
shooting
tos
here in the third
trījus
quarter.
šoreiz?
Here's Gay
Tu Geju
outside.
vienu.
And the basket
Tad
good.
viņš jau otro iet, bet viņš nav tas labākais, ar ko mēs.
Nu jā, es zinu, bet es viņam daudz metu sākumā, bet tikai izmdiecīgs.
Biškulīt. Dievs, Korver, no.
Šīs kā 4. perioda 24. Man kasās balva.
Nu kā tu... Es domāju, ka viņš dos saspēles vadītājiem. Viljams. Kā saspēl... Piespēlē! Bet es nezinu... Perioda.
Ak, Dievs!
Clock shooting a smooth 58% from the field. Everything going according to plan for them on that end. And a look at the five for the Kings to start the fourth.
Maybe.
Maybe 3,
Jā.
Maybe 3. Es jūtu.
Es domāju, gan, ka tu jūti. Kas pa piespēli?
Nē! Tas jāapsād, viņš bija
Kāpēc man noņēma vienu timeout?
Tas viņu labi. Tāpēc tagad paņēma viņu. Man nevajadzēja.
Ko man vajadzēja?
Tu jau ņem tā, ka man vajadzēja. Tev vajadzēja. Nu, kas ir? Iznirties?
Doris Burke has some information for us, Doris.
Yes, guys, Mike Budenholzer had some words for his team. He's looking for
Tev bija brīvs, ko ir apakšā. Uzģēlēs mēs to tā.
Brīvu. Excellent A+. Es speciāli izdarīju kustību, lai pārliecinātos, ka es esmu brīvs. Landrijs.
Nu, kas tad cik viņš Landrijs? Es man klasīgi, jā?
Pats zini, kāpēc.
Nu, labi, viņš man kādu brīvs, nevis viņš man Nē. Kāpēc tā? Nu, kāpēc tā, Viljams? Kāpēc tu ķer bombu ārā, kas ir izkritusi no rokām? Ja bombu izkrīt ārā no rokām?
Es arī tādas varu. Es gribēju izpārāt. Nē! Very early dip. Oh! Dievs! Ok, es dabūju maksimāli visu. Es nesaprotu, kā es tu dabūju atlāk šo bumbu. Horfords viņu izdirsa no kaut kurienes.
Un kurienes īsti varētu izdirst?
Nezinu.
Es arī nezinu. Nē, nu taču tā vēl!
Nu, come on, brīvs!
Nu, viņš tāds nevar trāt, viņš ar to tā nevar.
Pilnīgi. Jā, es zinu. Es redzēju.
And over 2.5 minutes in the books here in the fourth. And Williams has got 13 points here in the second half alone. The Kings trail by 3.
Nu, ja krīt, tā krīt. O,
Nu, kāpēc viņš? Es vienkārši tur kā sāku kaut kas ir galvu.
Millsap with it. It's the lead pass.
man neparādīs, bet iet.
Korver, no luck.
Loģiski tas bija par
Outside Thomas.
Paldies.
No one near him.
Nu, bet kā?
That doesn't go either for Thomas.
Man parādījis, bet viss bija iekasē, un viņš bija notiek.
Come on, es gāju garām, no.
Nē, es pat tā gāju garām.
Jā.
Es nezinu, kas jādara.
O, tu paņem timeout. Pagad. Jā, apsveic, tu paņem timeout. Tu to izdarīji.
Teams check in. Now a timeout called by Sacramento. You have to like what we're seeing from Lou Williams.
He just continues to light him up. They're going to have to find a way to make him work harder for his point.
Matīs, tev vajag paņemt vienu timeoutu nākamajās 40 sekundēs, ok?
For Cousins. Derek
Kāpēc?
Williams comes in for
Citādāk tev viens timeouts aizies bezjēgā.
Marcus Thornton. Here's
O,
Nē, nu, bet kāpēc viņš
and a
neiet?
big bounce off the rim, but it sinks right in.
tāpēc, ka bija priekšā spēlētāji.
Nē, tāpēc, ka es kasīju galvu un es atklāju to.
Teague dishes to Jenkins, and there's the
Kas?
Thomas pitch to Gay. That's
Nu, nē, nu kas pa aizsardzību, nu.
and that's 21 points for Rudy Gay.
He's created some good opportunities for himself and made the most of them.
Here's Brand.
Aizsardzību pret...
In the layup for two.
Nē.
Hawks lead by one. Down to the wire here, Clark and Steve. Still anyone's ball game.
Both teams really invested now. I mean, this is the type of game you love to win and you hate to lose.
Boy, after all this energy that both teams have expended, you're right, Buck, this would be a tough one to lose.
Excellence.
There's nothing to worry about out there with him shooting. I mean, he can't dial it in from deep this half at all.
Gay
That's the kind of defense required when he's got the ball near the hoop. I mean, right in his face.
Martin the pass to Jenkins. Dishes at the tee.
Nu, tu vari būt mašķos.
He's got an off game thus far, but his team is
Es vienkārši vairāk uzdevums. Es vairāk esmu nofēļos metienus.
Here by the King. Here's Thomas.
Ā,
And it's the Hawks taking it the other way.
nē! Ču! Ak, Dievs. Bet 2 sekundes.
Atlanta calls.
Lai dabūtu bumbu pārlaukumam.
They're up by 4. We've got 1:08 left in the fourth quarter.
Ja tev tik daudz nekustītīs, labi, tev viņi nav tā, ka tev viņi krīt un viņš vienkārši daudz metni. Tu esi kaut kādi iekrīt.
Leading by 4. Williams with the ball. Now defended by Thornton.
Un vot
Williams
šitie
dishes
arī
to
tev
Millsap.
nemanā.
Tip. Gets it. The kick
Atkal
out good.
dabūnē, tu dabūnē.
6 on the shot clock. And he makes no mistake on the slam dunk.
Mīļās un mīļās
One in his airspace.
Un tu vienalga meti labāk procentu nekā es. Visu spēli jau.
I hope they let it happen more. It's fun to watch that guy fly.
Just a gift, 2 points.
Nekas man nekrīt, nekā pēdējā minūtē.
Back to Teague. He kicks to Korver. Feeds it to Horford. And the layup's good off the glass. And it's an 8-point Hawks lead.
An example right there, guys, of how even as their lead grew into a big one, they never started coasting.
That's the truth.
No,
I
yeah,
mean, they've been in
yeah.
charge of this game all the way through.
Perfekti izlasīju. Kāpēc nebija trīnīšus? Tas bija divnieks. Tā nevajag. Kad mēs trīnīšu.
Sorry. Nepamanīju.
Gives him the lead pass. And the basket by Thornton.
Yeah, he put himself in great position to finish that break off, guys.
Nu, kāpēc neesmu parādā?
Es devu sunīšu pasteidzināšanu, sorry.
Nekas uz zaudēju.
Nu, saka,
Taču piespēl kādam tādam, kuram es varu nozakt.
es atkal devu sunīšu pasteidzināšanu, sorry.
And that makes it a 7-point lead.
Viss, ka varēja redzēt, kā viņi dēļ.
He's off on the free throw.
Un A- netrāpīju.
Here's Thomas. And so the Hawks take the lead. Both teams play